How to remove a user from Windows 11 laptop. The first thing you want to do is open the Start menu and here type Control Panel, then open it. Now at the top right, select the View By option and select Large Icons. Now find the option of User Account, select that. Then click Manage Another Account. You will now see all accounts on the laptop. If you only have one administrator account, you need to create a second admin account. For that, click on Add New User in PC Settings. Now click Add Account. Choose I don't have this person's sign-in information. Then select Add a user without Microsoft account. Now create a username, then create a password. After the account is created, click it, then select Change Account Type. Now set that to Administrator and then click OK. Now go back to Control Panel. Here you will find the account that you want to remove. Go ahead and click that. Now click delete the account. Now choose one, either delete files or keep them. Then click delete account. The selected user account is now removed from your Windows 11 laptop, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.